Woo! Good evening, Vienna, Virginia. How are you tonight? Oh, it sounds like you got a lot of energy as well. Huh? How are you doing at the very back? I know it feels far away, but you know, we don't love you less. We're very happy you all made it to the concert, and in fact, as I said just before, we want to make sure you have a great time and you're going to leave this venue with the biggest smile on your face. And as a matter of fact, we do also have a lot of energy to release, but when I say this, little Carlito, he gets very carried away.
Hello, good evening! Oh, how many beautiful ladies here tonight, my goodness! I'll stay here for that in Washington. So tonight we have many of your favorite songs, as well as brand new songs, and many, many other surprises that I will tell you much, much later.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, from my part. Hello. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to be here in the Wolf Trap tonight. What a fantastic venue, I must say. Fantastic to be here. It's 3 years ago that we've been in the DC area for the last time. We got a brand new show for you tonight. It's called Divo and Orchestra in Concert. We're very happy and proud to have a full orchestra on stage with us tonight. Please give them a big applause. And I'm not going to lose many more words at the moment. I'll hand you over to Mr. David Miller.
Good evening, Wolf Trap! Well, good evening, Wolf Trap!
Okay.
Take my mic, David. No, not your wife.
Take his mic.
No, I'll just have to take your wife, but you can take my microphone if you want. Go here.
What? Sibilance.
That's a good start, no?
Wow! I blew out the mic. Fantastic. That's a good sign. Good sign.
As long as it's just a
All
mic.
right, I got the special black mic now. Well, where was I? No, we did that part. Let's move on. So, as Carlos mentioned, we do have a lot of new material from our latest album, Wicked Game, the first of which you just heard was from the movie Moulin Rouge, Comme White Mary, or as we sing in Spanish, Te Amaré. And the next song was actually composed specifically for the four of us. Good evening, sir. How are you? How you doing? Nice to see you. Welcome. Composed specifically for the four of us and is loosely based off of Samuel Barber's Adagio for strings. This is Dove l'amore.